What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Nate and welcome back to another episode of Pony Power Garage.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright, so you guys will never believe what is on the other side of this door. Yes, we were in our work clothes. We had just gotten off work and we went and we bought a new car. Now this car is going to basically be the new project car. This is going to be the new Mustang of Pony Power Garage. So the plan with this car is going to be, actually I'm not even going to tell you because it's going to kind of give it away, spoil it a little bit, and we don't want to do that. So I know we were supposed to do content with the other Mustang out there, the black one, but currently we are trying to get a hold of the person that sold me the car. I owed him another $500, which we talked about before in the video, and we can't get a hold of him. And I have no idea where he went, and I think he blocked me on Facebook even. I have no idea, but so he still has the title. At this point, it's a salvage title. I've already given him $1,000 for it, which ended up having a bad engine or an overheated engine at that. Anyways, so my dad and I are probably going to turn that into a drag car. It's going to give us endless amounts of content for you guys for the future of the channel. But so to basically sum it up, with this car in here, we are basically going to be driving around for right now as a daily. But in that process, while we're building up this other engine, we're going to take that engine and put it into this car with the 5-speed transmission that is on the black Mustang, and we are going to put together an absolute monster. The goal is to be anywhere between 600 to 800 horse after the complete build, which we can do. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and show you guys this car and show you guys a little walk around. Are also in this video going to be installing the new headlights, or not new, they were off of the V8 Mustang, the 2001. We were going to put it on this one. So that kind of just gave it away, but let's go. All right, so you guys already know the deal. This is a 2000 Ford Mustang. This is the 3.8 V6, so it's not even a 4.0. So it's literally a pussy as of right now. But that bad girl over there, she's going into here. So you guys already know, we've already talked about it before. The engine that we are currently building is the 4.6 that was out of the 2001 that's out there, which I'll go ahead and open the door so you guys can get like a, little representation. All right, so this is the 4.6. You guys already know, we've already talked about this before. So basically the plan is we're going to pretty much take everything off of this and put it on to the 2000. And I think the body styles was like 1994 to 2004, something like that, is the edge, or something along those lines. But either way, pretty much the parts will all match. So for instance, like we have on the 2000, what you guys will see where the mirror is broken. So we could take this. What you're going to see in this video is we're going to be doing the headlights. So I took the headlights, which I already took the headlights off when I did the engine, which these ones are actually really dope. So I took the ones off of this and I'm putting them on the 2001, or 2000 I mean. As well as we are going to be taking the wheels off, but I got to get the right socket because socket has like a special like lock nut or like a special socket that you have to have. Like Ford has it. I have no idea, but like the socket would fit every other one, but then there's one that it doesn't fit. So, and I try every other socket and it like nothing locks. So we're gonna be taking the tires, the mirror probably, and then just miscellaneous shit. Maybe the steering wheel, because the steering wheel is a little loose on the 2000. You know what I'm saying? So basically just like part this out essentially. But then again, like I said, my dad and I's plan is we want to kind of maybe make this like a drag car. Maybe drop like a 302 in it or whatever, something, and run the track with this. We're gonna play it by ear. But yeah, so like we're gonna see in this video, I'm gonna install the headlights off of this onto that. All right, so enough about the V8. Let's do a little more, talk, walk around on this bad girl. So, like I said, she's a 2000 3.8, so she's basically the smallest V6. So she is a pussy. I mean, she does got some nuts. Don't get me wrong, but she is a little pussy. See, I've already installed the 8-ball shifter off of the V8 onto this. It's a 5-speed manual. I'll pop the hood so you guys can see underneath. All right, so this is the engine. The guy that I bought it from, he basically installed new coil or new ignition, new coils, new spark plugs. He said he put a new exhaust on, new catalytic converter. He said he put new tires on, but when I was at work, I looked at them and they were pretty dull, so I highly doubt that. Some issues that we have: we've got a cracked windshield. The driver window, I gotta fix that. This mirror is good, but the other side is cracked, which I don't know if you can see. Which I'll walk around here. So you can see here it's missing basically half the window. So, we can basically just take this piece off, boom, and put the other one on. We're going to take the steering wheel off the old one, put that one on here because this one's junky. It's loose and yeah, no bueno. Yeah, like I said, we're going to put the black tire or black rims on this and eventually pull this one out and put that one in. This one is still healthy. I still, check on it, make sure that it's moisturized. It's got WD-40 on her, that she's ready to go. And everything down there is for that. And these are the headlights that we're going to be installing on this bad girl. So basically taking those out and putting these ones in. I think that it'll give it a really good look. And yeah, so that's what you guys are gonna see in this video. Oh yeah, this is another problem, is it's got some clear coat fade. So we're gonna have to basically probably replace that fender, probably do both sides, because this color is not it's very common. So probably can find that for a dime a dozen. So anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set you guys up here, do a little time lapse of us taking these off and putting the new ones on. It does grind a little bit. You gotta push the clutch down pretty bad, so probably I'm having to replace the clutch. Probably just get the whole transmission rebuilt entirely. Well, I mean, even with the weight that I have now, or the power that I have now, I can feel that it, like, if I put like more power into it, dude, this thing will get sideways, brother. I'm trying to tell you. But so I'm super excited for like what we're going to be doing for this. But we're going to be doing ride-alongs, and I know it's going to be in a V6. But the cool thing about it is that you guys get to see it at its lowest point, or like its slowest point, and then you get to see it at its fastest point, right? So that's just kind of what I'm excited for, being able to, bring you guys along with this. I wanted it to, just be able to drop the V8 into that car and, not have to spend money on another one. But at the end of the day, like, I can't keep letting my content like get on hold, you know what I'm saying? And so I had to get me something that I would be able to play around with and create content with, and also be able to build something up to drop into this. And I think that's kind of where we're at. And yeah, so but anyways, guys, I hope you guys went on to enjoy this video. If you guys did, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos just like this, man. And yeah, without further ado, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one.